If you are planning to visit a place which is far from the city yet near, which is fun yet educative, then I would highly suggest you to visit the Prani Pet Sanctuary. Prani is around 15 kilometers from the Nice Road exit at Kanakapura Road. It takes about half an hour to reach there from the Nice Road junction. Booking to Prani has to be done on their website prani.co.in. It is open 365 days and it starts from 9 am and ends at 5 pm. You have to book beforehand to visit the Prani Sanctuary and the price is 400 rupees per person. The booking is very simple. You just have to select the dates and the time slot that you have to visit and then click on next. Fill the details. It is pretty simple and enjoy your day. Visit to the farm consists of an educational tour which takes about 1.5 to 2 hours, where you get to interact with around 700 plus rescued animals and birds across 40 species. If you come on a weekday, it is good. There are not many people and you get to enjoy at your own pace peacefully. So we have come a bit early and they've asked us to wait in the waiting area, and our guide would come and explain us all the things in this sanctuary. Waiting area. Say hi. Hi Abhimanyu. Hi Madhav. Are you enjoying Prani? You're not enjoying. Why are you not enjoying? You are enjoying? What all animals did you see till now?
I see elephant.
Elephant? Wow.
I not saw a big elephant.
So our guide is taking us.
Like a mouse or rat. Have you ever observed a mouse or rat before? Can you tell me the difference? There is a major difference. Have you ever observed their tail? Can you see fur on their tail?
Okay.
Mouse, rat? No.
Right.
They are having a plain long tail without fur. Okay. And these are called gerbils. Okay. Yes, gerbils.
These are gerbils.
Hello, boy.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಏನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Guinea pigs, they are from South America, Peru, South America, and they can live up 4 to 6 years, and this is their maximum size. Can you see a tail? Guinea pigs, they doesn't have a tail, so that is why they are called tailless rodents.
These are guinea pigs. They don't have tail. And the eyes is mostly open. Generally, this is the same color, no? Guinea pigs
there are different colors.
Different colors also.
Black, white, brown, mixed
Okay.
colors. This is a lizard. Okay. And lizards, they are from reptiles family. This lizard is called an iguana. Iguanas, they are native to South and Central America. That is a light sensing gland. When birds flies upon them, they can sense the shadows. And they can jump from a height of 30 to 40 feet. That is how they escape. And they are excellent swimmers. Okay. And this one is a male. So in wild, green is a natural color. But in captivity, you can see different color mutation. Red, blue, lutino, albino. Those colors are genetically modified. They are completely non-venomous. These are their defense mechanisms.
Hi, Iguana. Hello.
What's his name?
Ivan.
Ivan. He's Ivan.
Seven. Bye, Ivan. Bye, Ivan.
So horse, donkeys, goats, sheep, cows, buffaloes, these animals are called hoofed animals. Do you know why they are called hoofed animals? Yes. Beneath their leg, there you can see that made of two-leg structure. That part is called a hoof. Okay. Horseshoe is the metal part.
So this is Maya, who's been rescued from Pune Racecourse.
Okay, so what reptile is this?
Terrapin.
Yes, these are called terrapins. Classification, it depends upon the place where they live or how they adapted to live. Okay, so all of them, they are reptiles, and tortoise, they are completely terrestrial. They live only on land. They cannot swim in the water. And there you can see elephant-like legs, dome-shaped shell.
Correct.
So because of their body structure, they cannot swim. They adapted to walk on land. And turtle, they are aquatic. They spend a lot of time underwater. So do you think that they can breathe inside the water? Then how they are survive? Sorry? Actually, they can hold their breath. Okay.
ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಟ್ ಡೇಂಜರ್. ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೇಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನು, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಮೇಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್. So it's called a community of guinea pigs. Archer fish. There is a worm on top of a twig. It spits the water and the worm falls down into the water and then it eats. So this is how it looks. So these are native to India, Australia and Philippines. These are the third largest species of tortoise in the world. The first species is Galapagos tortoise, second is Aldabra, and third is Salcata. So these are the Salcata ones. This is around 16 years and its name is Sunshine. And you can see a baby one which is like 4 years old. These are emus. And this is the state bird of Australia. So after ostrich and cassowary, this is the next tallest bird. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫೀಮೇಲ್, ಇವನು ಮೇಲ್. His name is Besra. So this is Bannur Kuri.
In this age of smartphones and social media, it is good to get a digital detox, at least for some hours. Such places like the Prani Pet Sanctuary, where you get close to animals and nature, is a good therapy for your mind and the body.